On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the fastest way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that you are not required to invest anything. Everything is free, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA network. There are many CPA networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join CPA Lead, you can join OGRs, or any CPA network that you know. In this case, I'm using Cpagrip. Cpagrip is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can search for Cpagrip. Once you search for it, you can be able to create a free account so that you can get access to many offers that you can promote to earn money from home wherever you are in the world. In this case, this is my account. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, click right here, offer tools. Once you click on it, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. You can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning 60 cents per every lead that you get. This one you're going to be earning 60 cents. This one you're going to be earning $22.25 per every lead that you get. This one you're going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. CPA offers, you are not required to get sales. What you need to do is that you have to get your potential visitors to take a specific action. The action can be mobile install. So that means your potential visitors have to install a mobile app so that you can earn a payout rate 60 cents. The next one, you can see credit card submit. Your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to the best films. You can see it. Once they enter their credit card details, you are going to be paid $22.25. They don't need to purchase anything. You can see another one. This one, your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to iPhone 15 Pro Max. Once they enter the details to get access to the offer, you are going to be paid $20.53. Even if your potential visitors enter their details and they are not able to win the offer, you are still going to be paid once they have entered their details. So CPA marketing is one of the best ways that you can use to make money from home as a complete beginner. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so all the offers on this platform, each of them has a country where it is allowed to be promoted. For example, all these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in Australia. If you promote them to people who live elsewhere, you are not going to be earning the payout right here. And your potential visitors, when they click on it, they are not going to get access to these offers. So all the offers have a specific place where they are allowed to be promoted. Do not promote any offer to any place that you want. Always make sure that you have a traffic source to the country where the offer is allowed so that you can promote it and then get the right people to enter their details for you to make money. You can see all these offers are allowed in Australia. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a country where I have a traffic source so that I can get the right offer and then promote to the right people for them to enter the details for me to make money. On Cpagrip, you are allowed to promote offers in any country that you want. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different countries that you can find offers to promote. So any country that you select, you can promote the offers to people who live in that country. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this case, we are going to search for Spain. So search for Spain. Once you search for Spain, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you search for Spain, you are going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Spain. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of the offers that you want. You can see all these offers. It is easy for you to get your potential visitors to enter their details. The requirement is very easy. You can see this one is email and zip code submit. So your potential visitors are required to enter their email address and then zip code so that they can get access to the gaming offer, and you're going to be paid $1.02. There are many offers, so all that you need to do is that you have to scroll down so that you can find an offer that has a higher payout. You can see a whole lot of different offers. Just scroll down and then find any of the offers that you want. Scroll down to the bottom so that you can find a high paying offer. Just scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $6.84 per every lead that you get. This one, you are going to be earning $16.68 per every lead that you get. There are many of them, so just scroll down so that you can find the right offer to promote. You can see this way you're going to be earning $8.21 per every lead that you get. Scroll down to the bottom, there are many offers that you can promote. You can see $19.25 per every lead that you get. This one $8.56 per every lead that you get. There are many of them. Just scroll down, you can see $12 and you can see $17. You can see $17.11 per every lead that you get. If you don't understand what the offers are about, you can translate the text to English so that you can get to know what the offers are about. For example, if you want to translate the text, right click on your screen. Once you right click on your screen, you are going to see a page like this. Select translate to English. Once you click on it, the texts are going to be translated. You can see everything has been translated to English. So now you can understand what the offers are about. As you can see this offer right here, get the latest content. It is a gaming offer, and when your potential visitors are able to submit a PIN, they can get access to the gaming content, and you are going to be paid $17.11. They don't need to purchase anything. Now, to promote the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the details of the offer. This is your affiliate link, so you have to get people to click on this link and then enter the details so that you can be paid. You can see the payout, you can see the image of the offer, you can see the text and the rest. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source so that you can get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid $17.11. You can use free traffic source, you can use paid traffic source. It depends on whatever that you want. In this case, I'm going to show you a highly targeted free traffic source that you can use to promote the offer to get people who live in Spain to enter their details for you to make money. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is cholon.es. This website, it is based in Spain, and the best part is that you can promote offers on this platform without paying for anything. You can see these are offers that people are promoting on the platform. You can see a whole lot of different offers that people have listed onto this platform. You can see most of them are getting over 1,000 likes. You can see over 1,000 likes. That means this website is active. If you promote an offer on this platform, you can also get many people to enter their details for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different stuff that people have posted onto this platform. So you can also promote the offer on this platform so that you can get people who live in Spain to take the action for us to make money. If you want, you can translate the text so that you can understand what the website is about. So you can translate it to English. Just translate the text to English. Once you translate it, you can understand what the offers are about. You can see these are the categories. You can see babies and children, food and drinks, electronics, free, home, leisure, clothing and accessories, health and beauty, and many others. So anything that you have, you can post it onto this platform. To post anything onto this platform, you need to create an account. To create an account, just click right here so that you can create your new accounts. If you have an account, you can click right here to log in. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in. So let me click right here to log in. Once you create your accounts and log in, the next step is that you have to post the offer onto the platform. So click right here, share Cpagrip. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the kind of offer that you want to share onto the platform. So you can see offers, discount, promotions. You can see coupon. You have discount codes and coupons. In this case, it is an offer. So click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you're going to see a page like this. So you have to enter the URL of the offer that you are promoting. In this case, you have to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on Cpagrip. Once you come back, you can see, click right here, copy link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on following so that you can be able to post the offer onto the platform. Once you click on it, you have to upload an image of the offer. So come back on Cpagrip. Once you come back, you can see this is an image of the offer. Right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images so that you can see the image of the offer. So click on save. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to come back, click right here, upload so that you can upload your image. So select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The image is going to be uploaded. You can see the image has been uploaded. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the price. You can see price, it is optional. So just leave all these stuffs because we are not selling anything. It is a free game that people can get access to, so just leave everything. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the title of your offer and then a description. The title must have 30 characters or more, and you can see the description must have 50 characters or more. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on the Gate24 so that you can copy your title and then paste it right here. So come back on Cpagrip and then highlight and copy the title of the offer. Once you highlight and copy, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, the next step is that you have to come back on Cpagrip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy the description, the next step is that you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to type a call to action. So you can type something like, click on this link to get access to the offer now before it expires. Something like this. Just type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, you have to translate it because the people that we are promoting the offer to, they don't understand English. They understand Spanish. So you have to translate the text to Spanish so that they can understand you much better. So highlight and copy your call to action. Once you highlight and copy, open a new tab. Once you open a new tab, the next step is that you have to search for Google Translate. So search for Google Translate so that you can use it to translate your text. Once you search for Google Translate, you can see English to German. You have to change it to Spanish. So we are going to translate from English to Spanish. So select Spanish. Once you select it, paste your text here. Once you paste it, it is translating. It has been translated. Click right here to copy your translated text. Once you copy it, you have to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to highlight the call to action and then insert your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Cpagrip, click on copy link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. The next step is that you have to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see insert link, click on it. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here and then click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You have to select a category. You have to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. It is optional, but if you want, you can select it. In this case, the offer is a gaming offer, so select video games. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see location. You don't need to enter that. Start date, expiring date, just leave everything. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, add new deal. Once you click on it, thanks for adding a deal. It will be published once the moderator reviews it. The moderator will review your offer to know that you are not promoting drugs or illegal items. Once they check and it is not illegal, they can post your ad onto the platform and you are going to get people who live in Spain to click on your link and then enter the details so that you can be earning $17.11 per every person that entered his or her details using your affiliate link. So make sure you go and take action, post many different offers onto this platform so that you can get many people in Spain to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.